Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's vlog is going to be about car insurance, truck insurance and motorcycle insurance. Compare United States to the Philippines. Well, I lived in the state of Florida before I came to the Philippines almost 3 years ago. And in America, it's known that every state has different policies and also different fees. But it's also known that America is extremely expensive when it comes to full coverage insurance. I think the insurance companies over there truly rape the people. Sometimes, especially when you buy something on payments, regardless if it's a motorcycle, a truck or a car, it's the law that you have to have full coverage insurance. And the Philippines as well, same thing, because if you trash it, crash it, or get stolen, the mortgage or the finance company wants to get paid in full before you get anything out of it. And also, everybody knows this, you need it for bodily protection as well. So, in America, I remember, and I have good driving record, no accidents, maybe in 5 years, one rolling stop at the stop sign, so no speeding or anything. I did speeding, but I didn't get a ticket for it. I think everybody speeds here and there, especially on the highways. Now, I had a few car finance and trucks in America. My average monthly insurance was anywhere from $350 to $380. Now that in pesos, right now the dollar is low, it's just under 56. So let's see if it's 315,000. I'm just saying 18,000 pesos a month. 18 to 20,000 pesos a month. Full coverage insurance. Now remember I said a month. Now in the Philippines, people who has vehicles here, motorcycles, they know I'm telling the truth. You as a newcomer come here or planning to buy one, you've already been here, but you're planning to buy one, you will find out that how much huge difference here, much more affordable here. And you're getting the same coverage. Depends how you set up the policy, of course. Some of them offers more, some of them less. But they're still going to give you full coverage. Now, for example, my truck, I bought it almost 2 years ago now, and the value at the time of purchase was 680,000 pesos. I financed it for 3 years, so I almost got a year and 2 months left. So 680,000 pesos, the insurance company, since the full insurance coverage, they would pay up to 620,000 pesos. That's not bad at all. Now, this is where the big difference comes between the two countries. You remember I said in America you pay monthly? You can get it a little bit cheaper if you pay 6 months ahead, or you go with a 6 months term or a year term. Or the cheapest way is to pay off the whole amount of the policy. You get some kind of discount on it. But most of the time, people can afford it, even in America, especially the last 5 years, things are horrible. Economy and the financial situation for a majority of people there. And that's one of the reasons they leave the country and come to the Philippines, especially when they're retired. So, back to the insurance. So my insurance is a little bit less than 20,000 pesos. So let's say $400, but it's less than $400, 300 some dollars. Not per month, per year. I can prove it, I have the insurance policy, that's per year. And when you finance it, you actually pay it into the bank, like a payment, a separate payment, put on a policy number, insurance policy number, is being credited to the policy, insurance policy. But you see the huge difference? America charges 11 times more than over here in the Philippines. Not 11 times, what I'm talking about, a lot more than that. So over here, let's go with a round number, $400 a year over here, full coverage. And in America, it's almost $400 a month, depending on what you buy, of course. So, isn't it a major ripoff what's happening in America? Those insurance companies, I tell you. And when time comes, many of them gives you a runaround to try to get money out of them. I'm very thankful I never had to use my insurance over here, and I'm looking forward to keep it that way. Now, if you decide to buy a motorcycle, even if you buy it out for cash, I strongly suggest, especially here in the Philippines, get an insurance policy which covers not just, let's say they hit you, but they don't have insurance. Most likely they aren't going to have insurance. You're out of luck. Good luck suing the person. Maybe they're not even the one who owns the motorcycle. Who knows? They might even going to leave you there, just going to hit you, and if they can take off, they take off, because they don't want headaches. So you got to have something that covers your ass. Covers the damages to your motorcycle, everything. So anyway, on a motorcycle, again, it depends. The most common one is 150 cc's. Here's the Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki's. And on those, for a year, you can get it around 5,000 pesos. That's all, $100 roughly. Now in America, you would pay at least, I would say around $100 to $150 a month. Full coverage I'm talking about. Now if you go up to a motorcycle about 700 cc, now you're going to pay about between 35 to 50,000 pesos a year. So it's about, let's say, between $800 to $1,000 a year. Still very affordable compared to the United States, right? So what you guys think about this? I'm very curious about your comments. Okay? All right, well, thank you for your time. This was just a short vlog, but as I said, I made this for people who come here. They're not familiar with anything at all. They're the first timers, so they might get tired of riding a trike or a taxi, so they want to buy themselves a little scooter or a little car, a used car. So this is what you get into. So plan well financially when you come here. All right? Thank you for your time. All of you enjoy your day.